Hello, welcome back our Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. This is the second part of NUMS MDCAT 2025. In previous video, I have shared physics MCQs 40, and in this video, I am going to share 40 chemistry MCQs from 41 to 80. So here we go. Question number 41. Most molecular crystals melt below A 200 Celsius, B 280 Celsius, C 330 Celsius, D 480 Celsius. And the correct option is A 200 Celsius. Molecular crystals are held together by weak van der Waals forces and dipole-dipole interactions. These weak forces results in low melting points generally below 200 Celsius. Question number 42. How much heavier is the H atom, hydrogen atoms, as compared to electron? A 1937, B 1737, C 1837, D 1637. And the correct option is C 1837. Mass of proton is equal to 1.673 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. Mass of electron is equal to approximately 9.1.09 into 10 power minus 31 kilogram. Ratio is equal to 1836 to 8037 approximately. A hydrogen atom is approximately 1837 times heavier than an electron. Question number 43. The value of equilibrium constant for the decomposition of ozone at 25 Celsius is A 10 power 55, B 10 power 65, C 10 power 25, D 10 power 50. And the correct option is A 10 power 55. The decomposition of ozone has a very large equilibrium constant, indicating the reaction strongly favors product formation. Question number 44. A reaction is the first order with respect to A and third order with respect to B. The rate equation is, and the correct option is C. Rate is equal to K, A, B, and 2, 3. Rate law is equal to K into A 1 B power 3. First order with respect to T, A, and third order with respect to B gives rate is equal to K first order A and second order B power 3. Overall order is equal to 1 plus 3 4. Question number 45. For a reaction A towards product, if the concentration of A is doubled, product increase 4 times. The order of reaction will be A 0, B first, C second, D third. And the correct option is C second. Rate if doubles and rate quadruples, 4 is equal to 2 power n is equal to 2. The reaction is second order. Question number 46. Select the spontaneous reaction from the following. A. Reaction of nitrogen and oxygen. B. Emission of alpha particles from polonium. C. Thermal decomposition of marble. D. Burning of paper. And the correct option is B. Emission of alpha particles from polonium. Radioactive decay emission of alpha particles from polonium is spontaneous. It occurs naturally without requiring external energy input. Question number 47. Select the exothermic reaction among the following. A. Thermal composition of P2O5. B. Formation of atmospheric nitric oxide. C. Burning of methane. D. Sublimation of dry ice. And the correct option is C. Burning of methane. Burning of methane is highly exothermic. Sublimation and decompositions are endothermic. Question number 48. The oxidation number of Cl chlorine in HClO2 is A plus 1, B plus 3, C plus 5, D plus 7. And the correct option is B plus 3. Question number 49. Bond order is equal to A. Difference between number of bonding electrons and antibonding electrons. B. The sum of number of bonding electrons and antibonding electrons. C. Half of the difference between the number of bonding electrons and antibonding electrons. D. Quarter of difference between the number of bonding electrons and antibonding electrons. And the correct option is C. Half of the difference between the number of bonding electrons and anti-bonding electrons. Bond order is equal to bonding electrons minus anti-bonding electrons divided by 2. This is the standard molecular orbital theory definition. Question number 50. Which of the following molecule has non-polar covalent bond? A. Methyl chloride. B. Methanol. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Tetrachloromethane. And the correct option is C. Carbon dioxide. In carbon dioxide, although each carbon is equal to O bond is polar, the linear geometry means that dipoles cancels, making the overall molecules nonpolar. CCl4 is also nonpolar but has polar bonds. Question number 51. Which of the following alcohols will give oily layer upon heating? A. 3-methyl 2-butanol. B. 2-methyl 2-butanol. C. 2-butanol. D. Ethyl alcohol. And the correct option is B. 2-methyl 2-butanol. Lucas test tertiary alcohol react immediately with Lucas reagent, giving an oily layer. 2-methyl 2-butanol is a tertiary alcohol. Question number 52. Formalin is a mixture of, and the correct option is A. 40% of HCHO, 8% of CHO, CH3OH, 52% of H2O. Formation is an aqueous solution of formaldehyde, 40% of formaldehyde, 8% methanol added as a stabilizer, and 52% water. Question number 53. Polymerization of HCHO and CH3CHO occurs in the presence of, and the correct option is A. Conc H2SO4. Aldol condensation and polymerization of aldehyde. Question number 54. The boiling point of carboxylic acids are relatively high due to A. Increased molecular mass. B. Intermolecular carbon bonding. C. Intermolecular oxygen bonding. D. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. And the correct option is D. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Carboxylic acids form strong intermolecular hydrogen bonds and even dimerize. This requires more energy to break, resulting in usually high boiling points. Question number 55. Carboxylic acids reacts with metal carbonates. The colorless gas evolved is A. Hydrogen. B. Oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Carbon. And the correct option is C. CO2. Carbon dioxide. The colorless gas produced is carbon dioxide, which turns lime water milky. Question number 56. Which of the following compound will react with 2,2-dimethyl propanic acid to produce ester? A. Ethanoic acid. B. Propane. C. Ethanol. D. Propanone. And the correct option is C. Ethanol. Esters are formed by the reaction of carboxylic acids with alcohol. Ethanol reacts with 2,2-dimethyl propanic acids, form an ester water. Question number 57. The most abundant protein in animal kingdom, forming 25 to 35% of body proteins, is or are A. Derived proteins. B. Simple proteins. C. Compound proteins. D. Conjugated proteins. And the correct option is B. Simple proteins. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the animals, 25 to 35% of total body protein. It's a simple fibrous protein found in connective tissues, skin, or bones. Question number 58. Protein present in connective tissues of human body is A. Phosphoprotein. B. Collagen. C. Lecithin. D. Cholesterol. And the correct option is already described, collagen, which is the main structural protein in connective tissues, tendons, ligaments, skin, cartilage. It provides tensile strength. Question number 59. In human body, ferritin is used to store A. And the correct option is Fe. Ferritin is an intracellular protein that stores and releases iron. Option C. In a controlled manner, it acts as the primary iron storage protein in the body. Question number 60. In human body, ceruloplasmin acts as a carrier of A. Oxygen, B. Zinc, C. Uh, ceruloplasm, D. Iron, copper. So the correct answer is C. Ceruloplasm is a copper carrying enzyme in blood plasma. It carries about 95% of the total copper in healthy human plasma. Question number 61. Predict the element with lowest ionization energy. And the correct option is magnesium. Among these options, magnesium has the lowest ionization energy. AR, noble gas, has very high ionic energy. Se and P have higher IE than ionization energy than magnesium due to great nuclear charge reacts. Question number 62. Select the group 2 elements which has the highest atomic radius. And the correct option is B. Sorry, C. Barium. In group 2, atomic radius increase down the group. Barium is the bottom of the group 2A among given options and has the largest atomic radius. Question number 63. Which of the following element has the least boiling point? And the correct option is D. CS. In group 1A, alkali metals boiling points decreases down the group as metallic bonding weakens with larger atomic size. CS has the lowest boiling point 944 K among the options. Question number 64. 2 pentanone and 3 pentanone are examples of A. Metamers, B. Functional group isomers, C. Tautomers, and D. Position isomers. And the correct option is D. Position isomers. Question number 65. Which of the following will show optical isomerisms? And the correct option is D. 2-hydroxypropanic acid. Question number 66. Which of the following is an electrophile in sulfonation? And the correct option is B. SO3. In sulfonation of benzene, SO3 acts as an electrophile. It is a strong electrophile due to the highly electrophilic sulfur atom attacked by the electrons of benzene. Question number 67. Acetylene reacts with hydrogen bromide to form, and the correct option is B. 1,1 dibromethane. Question number 68. Generally, the decreasing order of reactivity is, and the correct option is C. Alkene, alkynes, alkanes. Reactivity towards electrophilic addition. Alkenes, alkynes, alkanes. Alkenes are most reactive due to accessible pi bond. Alkanes are least reactive, only substitution. Question number 69. Racemic mixture formed in SN1 reaction is due to the presence of empty A. S orbital, B. P orbital, C. Sp cube orbital, D. Sp square orbital. And the correct option is B. P orbital. SN1 forms a planar carboxylic intermediate with an empty p orbital. Nucleophile attack from both faces, equally given a racemic mixture 50-50. Question number 70. The order of reactivity alcohol with respect to cleavage of CO bond. So the correct option is A. Tertiary, secondary, and primary. Tertiary carbocations are most stable, so tertiary alcohols undergo CO cleavage most readily. Order tertiary, secondary, and primary. Question number 71. NaOH plus H2SO4 towards Na2SO4 plus H2O. When 40 gram of NaOH reacts with 49 gram of H2SO4, the number of water molecules produced are A. Correct option is A. 6.02 into 10 power 23. Question number 72. The number of electrons in subshell can be calculated by the formula. D option is correct here. 2 into 2L plus 1. Number of electrons in subshell is equal to 2 into 2L plus 1 for L is equal to 0. Question number 73. When 5d orbital is complete, the interning electron goes into a 6s, b6p, d6d, d6f, and the correct option is B 6p. After 5d is filled, configuration 5d power 10 following of Bow principle, the next electron enters the 6p subshell. Question number 74. Which of the following relationship is correct for kinetic energy of gases? And the correct option is B. Kinetic energy is equal to 3RT upon 2Na. Average kinetic energy per molecule is equal to 3kT upon 2 is equal to 3RT upon 2Na. This is the fundamental kinetic theory result of a monoatomic ideal gas. Question number 75. The fourth state of matter is A. Solid, B. Liquid, C. Gaseous liquid, D. Plasma. So the correct option is D. Plasma. The four states of matter are solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. Plasma is the fourth state, consisting of ionized gas with free electrons and ions. Question number 76. Which factor does not affect the rate of evaporation? A. Amount of liquid, B. Surface area, C. Temperature, D. Intermolecular forces. And the correct option is A. Amount of liquid. Rate of evaporation depends on the surface area, temperature, and intermolecular force. The amount volume of liquid does not affect the rate, only the total evaporation time. Question number 77. Which of the following is responsible for the low boiling point of diethyl ether as compared to water? A. Weak intermolecular forces, B. High surface tension, C. Low vapor pressure, D. High vapor pressure. And the correct option is A. Weak intermolecular forces. Diethyl ether lacks OH groups for hydrogen bonding. If only has weak van der Waals forces, this results in lower boiling point compared to water. Question number 78. Hydrogen bonding does not exist in A. Proteins, B. Alcohols, C. And the correct option is D. SiH4 has no electronegative atoms NOF bonded to H. So no hydrogen bonding exists. Si-silicon is not electronegative enough to create the required dipole. Question number 79. The factor has the effects. The lattice energy is charge to size ratio, B. Shielding effect, C. Crystal structure, D. Atomic radius. And the correct option is A. Charge to size ratio. Lattice energy, charge into charge upon distance. The charge to size ratio ionic potential is the primary factor. Higher charge and similar size reacts to greater lattice energy. Question number 80. The shape of crystal lattice depends upon A. Size of particles. B. Nature of particles. C. Arrangement of particles. D. Size of unit cell. And the correct option is C. Arrangement of particles. The shape of crystal lattice is determined by the arrangement geometric pattern of particles, atoms, ions, or molecules in the unit cell repeated in the 3D space. Subscribe to Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. I will upload the remaining questions soon. Stay connected. Thank you. In the upcoming section video, English MCQs will be shared.